What's up guys? For today's video, I'm finally bringing you a special guest. Before I get into that, I know I have been off of YouTube for a very long time. I was probably the sickest I have ever been in my entire life, and I'm not even over exaggerating with that. I felt like I was dying. I did not want to go to the hospital though, but I was just so sick. I didn't do anything. I basically have not done anything. I've been off radar on everything. So I'm coming back. I know I've been showing you guys all the old videos, and I know those aren't really as cool, but I'm really trying to get serious with the YouTube stuff. So hopefully you'll notice a big transition with the new videos that hopefully will be coming in the future. So enough talking. Today we will be reviewing the Yeezy 350 blue tint that my girlfriend did pick up. And again, I apologize for my voice. I'm still recovering, but now that I can fully talk, I wanted to make this video for you. So I'm gonna have her come into the video so she can tell you what she thinks about them and give you guys an on feet, and you can see from a girl's opinion on like how fire they are. So let's get her into this. So this is Ashley, my girlfriend, and she was able to pick these up all by herself, the 350 blue tints. But before we talk about them, I just first want to say that I'm actually livid. So I had the day off, the day that these dropped, so I just thought for sure I was gonna get them. I knew that this was like the most mass-produced Yeezy, I believe next to the Beluga 2.0, or maybe I got that switched around. Anyways, I knew I was gonna get on these. It gets 10 a.m., I log up on my computer, and I'm in the queue to get them, and I was like, wow, I'm actually doing really good. I waited and waited, and I think she got home around like 3 p.m. I'm still in the queue. I haven't left my laptop all day. I made sure I had it on my laptop in here. I made sure I was on my phone the whole time. I didn't leave the queue for this like 5 hours, no joke. So she comes home, I tell her about it, so she just gets up on her laptop, throws it in, and gets in right away, and she was able to pick them up. I was livid. She got right in. I think she waited for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, and I've never seen anybody get them that fast. And I've been trying to get Yeezys since the Solar, guys. Since like the Nike Solars, I have been trying to get Yeezys. I've never ever got a pair, and I don't even think I will. I'm not even trying to knock myself. I'm still trying to be positive, but I don't think I'll ever get a pair. I've been trying that long since the Nikes, and I'm just never gonna be able to get them. She comes along and gets them. But she did get them in a 4, which I think is a small size. She said they didn't fit her.
No, I definitely needed a 5, but they were like locked, right? What was it? Yeah. They were reserved. They were reserved, so I could not get them. I didn't want to pass up on them though, so I got the 4s.
Yeah, I think she was kind of skeptical on it, but I told her just get the 4 anyways, who cares. But let's open it. But first of all, you guys have already seen the box, got the 350 there. Has the Yeezy stuff right there. I got a good camera now, so hopefully it will focus. No, maybe not, I don't know. But maybe you can see it. There's the other side. You guys have probably already seen the Yeezy boxes before. So you open it up. Super nice paper, and again, this is actually the first Yeezy I've actually seen in person, and she was able to get it, so that's fire. So we'll each take one and give our on-hand review, give a nice review about it. And now, at glance, I think these are honestly straight fire. I told her though that I didn't really like them for me. I thought they were kind of like a girl shoe. But then Jacob Starr uploaded a picture in them, and he's like in the snow, I think, or something like that. And they looked really good on him. So I was like, you know what? Eventually, I might get myself a pair of these. She got them for her. She's not really team resell over here, so she got them for her. But I think she said they fit too tight, so she wouldn't really like them. I don't really know what to do because I never really review shoes. I just show you guys shoes. I say every single shoe video, I'm not a shoe reviewer. I just show the shoes that I get. I guess we'll both just give a nice, what's that called? Like first impression. So how do you feel about them?
They're definitely, like, they were comfortable. I definitely wish I would have got a bigger size because I honestly think the Ultra Boost are more comfortable though.
That's what I was gonna ask you. Hold on, we're gonna pretend you didn't say that. Okay, now the ultimate question that everybody asks. What is more comfortable? The Ultra Boost or the Yeezy 350 V2?
It may be because I have like a smaller size and they don't fit too good, but I honestly think the Ultra Boost are more comfortable.
You heard it here first.
And I have 2 pairs too. And yeah, again, it might be like the sizing, but I can feel the boost more on the Ultra Boost versus these.
I myself has still not lost my Yeezy virginity, so I cannot tell you if I think the Ultra Boost is more comfortable or if the Yeezy has, because fortunately guys, I have never tried on a Yeezy in my life, and I have never owned one. This is my first one I've ever even touched. I've never been anywhere that sold one, like any sneaker shops or anything. I can't give you guys any input on what to compare them, but I can compare the knitting for you guys. The Prime Knit, A1. I think the Prime Knit just just feeling this, already better than Ultra Boost. This is so fire to me. When I see these on feet, on people, I think like the silhouette is just legendary. I mean, I've never seen an Adidas shoe look that good on a person than the Yeezy, I think, but that's just my opinion. I have had some Ultra Boosts in the past, and I feel like every time I throw them on, I look like a soccer mom, and I just can't really break the glass of me seeing myself as a soccer mom wearing the Ultra Boost. Like I said in old videos, the Ultra Boost is still my all-time favorite sneaker of all time. All-time favorite. Never had a shoe that I've loved more than the Ultra Boost, and it breaks my heart to let everybody know that I don't think I look good in the Ultra Boost. So I like to pretend.
I think you do.
Well, thank you. I like to pretend they do. I still just wear Vans like 365, 7 days a week, all that stuff. But I still like to think that one day I will look good in the Ultra Boost. So hopefully one day I can get myself a pair of Yeezys and they will fit on me. I'm still destined. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna pay a resale on like the 2.0, the Beluga 2.0s, or maybe even these. I'm just hoping that in my lifetime I can get a pair for retail. All right, so I guess we're gonna be comparing the Ultra Boost to the Yeezy. We just grabbed here Ultra Boost. They're roughly the same size. What size is this?
This is a 6.
And these are a 4, so roughly the same size. But which one do you think is heavier?
I kind of think they feel the same.
Okay, I do think they kind of feel the same, but the Ultra Boost is bigger than this, but I still think it feels the same. They almost look the exact same though, in like the length. Really, we don't know what we're doing with this video. I've just realized because we've been comparing to the Ultra Boost, we've been telling you guys about it, so I really don't know what the point of this video is. So it's just kind of an extravaganza with the Yeezy and Ultra Boost. But I guess I'll just start comparing more things. The lace, were you gonna say something?
Yeah, I was gonna say the laces too. I think the laces are way better on the Yeezys.
Yeah, the Yeezy laces are, look at that. These are more crispy than a Frisbee. Shout out to Paul Kane too for that one. These are like super thick. I love when people have like that factory lace job on them. They look so clean, but with the Ultra Boost, they're kind of just like really flappy and you can just do whatever you want with those. Yeah, they're just kind of like basic laces, where the Yeezy laces are really nice and thick and fire. And then I guess just trying to throw out more things that I've noticed about the Yeezy. With the blue tint specifically, you can see, my camera you probably won't be able to, but trust me, you can see just like that nice layer of boost at the bottom, which looks kind of funny. I kind of wish you couldn't see that. Other than that, I really don't know what else we can say because this video is just all over the place. We've been comparing it to the Ultra Boost and we've just been telling you guys about it. Any last thoughts about the Yeezy? Anything else you want to say? Do you think the boost is like more squishy than the Ultra Boost on these?
I think the Ultra Boost is more squishy, honestly.
Okay.
Like comparing them. And like when I was walking in them, I walked in both of them when I first got them. I feel like Ultra Boost, you get like kind of like a bounce because of the boost, and this I didn't really get that. But these kind of feel more like NMDs to me versus
I don't know if I've ever heard anyone say that. That's crazy. Okay.
But that might also be because I took the insole out because they don't fit. So if I keep them, I'm taking that out.
Oh yeah, I wanted us to say that. I think we might have said that earlier in the video, but I don't remember. But yeah, she did take the insole out. She said that they didn't really fit her. So she tried taking the insole out, kind of like an NMD, to see if it would fit better. And I think it did fit a little better, but she still doesn't know if she's gonna keep them or not.
I want the Belugas instead. They'll match. I'm the type of person that likes to match.
Because I'm always telling her that I never want to match. All my outfits, I try purposely to not match my outfits.
And I always want to match. So I definitely want either the zebras or the Belugas just because they're like a basic color and they'll match with everything that I wear. I think I'd get more use out of them.
And we have called a sneaker shop. Like there isn't really too many sneaker shops around here that sell like Yeezys or hyped items or anything like that. But we did call one to see if they would size swap the 4 for a 5 and like some cash on it, because I think the 4 is like $40 cheaper than what a 5 is on like StockX prices. But he said that he thinks a 4 is a brick and he couldn't sell it. So I don't really know if we're gonna be able to size swap them, because I told her she might be able to, because we were gonna go to New York. I don't know if we still are, but if we do, I kind of was hoping she could size swap them, but I don't know if she's gonna be able to do that or not. But okay, that concludes our I really don't know, like our review of the Yeezy.
Our Yeezy video.
Yeah, but I do want to show you guys some on feet of them. I'm gonna have to show you some in-house on feet though, because she doesn't know if she's gonna keep them or not, so we don't really want to go get them all dirty because we still gotta sell them as dead stock. So I hope you did enjoy that video. I know it's a bit of a change because I never have anybody in my videos besides Joe, but this year I told myself I need to start doing different types of videos. I do kind of want to start vlogging, but like you guys may think my life's so lit because I dropped like $2,000 on Supreme, but other than that I don't do anything. Like I'm always busy, but it's like businessy stuff. to
not
wear.
Cool stuff.
Yeah, it's like businessy stuff. So like when I'm busy, like me vlogging that would probably not be that cool. But I'm hoping to get into vlogging, maybe getting some different types of videos. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I will greatly appreciate that. And again, I'm really sorry I haven't posted in a very long time, but let's get to these on feet clips. So if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. The Supreme season is nearing, so you already know that more Supreme videos will be dropping. So if you did, I just said this, but if you did like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.